In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your wheel speed sensor on your Mini Cooper. It's located behind your rear wheel. Using a 17mm socket, we're going to remove our wheel. Be careful when you take the last one out. Make sure you have a good hand on that wheel in case. So we're going to put one lug nut stud back in and give it a good whack. Once you get it loose or free, if you're having the same problem anyways, you can remove your last lug nut. And remove the wheel. Using an 8mm socket and an extension, I'm going to remove the bolt for the speed sensor. Be careful not to twist this too much. You can wiggle it a little bit and pull it out. Now we're going to remove it from this bracket. Just going to push up, maybe spin it out. Now continue on and do the same over here. You might need some needle nose pliers of some sort and some penetrating oil to loosen things up. Probably need a pry bar to get that out. And now we're going to travel up. I'm going to use a long flathead screwdriver and I'm going to slide it into this little clip and undo it. Once that's undone, you could reach up and pull the wire out from it. We have a couple of zip ties here and here. If you have the same kind of clip, which you should, undo them the same way. But I'm going to go in and just cut my zip ties with some wire cutters. And now here we are. We're going to unplug this after I undo this one. So now we're going to unplug this. I'm going to push down on this and pull it out. Now you can remove the wire towards the wheel well and unhook it past the spring. We're going to install our new one. I'm going to feed it past the gas tank and line it up. It only fits one way, so just turn it until it feels like it can click in. You should hear a click. I'm going to re-zip tie this back. Feed that down. If you have a clip that's factory, obviously reinstall it that way. If not, do the same. And you just want to secure that. You don't want it to move around. Cut off the excess. I have a zip tie going through where it was before, and I'm going to secure it there. Again, if you have something from factory, reattach it. And cut the excess off. Now we're going to feed this into the clip here. And shut that by just pushing on it. And we're going to feed this back into the bracket. It's just as hard putting it in as it was getting it out. I'm using some pliers to do it. It should go where that slot is. And it should feed in nicely, like so. And we're gonna go on this side and feed this through here as well. There we go. Once you get it in there, you're gonna slide it down. And now we're gonna slide this in. Make sure you clean the surface and don't push anything into that hole, and push the speed sensor in. We're gonna attach it with our bolt. Make sure that hole is lined up right. Start it by hand. We're gonna snug it up. Snug this up. You want to go about wrist tight. You don't have to over tighten these. And that should be good. Let's install our wheel. When you do that, make sure you're all lined up. Keep a good hand on it and get one of these started. And do the rest. Let's tighten these down. We're going to do that in a crisscross manner. And you're going to walk the wheel on. We're going to torque our wheels to 95 foot-pounds. We're going to do that in a crisscross pattern. Sometimes these get stuck.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.